So you are thinking of moving to Atlanta, Georgia, and you are looking for a new construction. Are you looking for a townhome? Is your budget from $560,000 up? Well, today in this video, we're gonna take you to the Providence Group, a brand new community. It's called Ecco Park. This is built by an amazing builder, the Providence Group, which is a local builder here in Georgia. A lot of experience, gorgeous property. In this video, we're gonna show you the model home, which is beautiful, and we're gonna show you what floor plans they have available. We're gonna show you the entire neighborhood. We're gonna drive around so you can see it for yourself. Now, make sure you contact us so we can bring you here so you can secure a home for you and your family. Now, Ecco Park is a luxury townhome community in Alpharetta, very close to North Point mixed-use development, which is going to be very similar with Avalon. This was approved already and they're gonna start working on it. It's actually 5 minutes walking from here. So this is going to be an amazing area. Of course, the schools are very good in this area. You're gonna be in Fulton County because you're gonna be in Alpharetta. And what's amazing about this community, they have different floor plans available. So starting at 1,695 square feet up to 2,395 square feet homes, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, 1 and 2 car garages. In total, they're gonna have 99 homes. Of course, half of them are already under contract. People do live here already, but if you are looking for a townhome and your budget is from $561,000 and up, make sure you watch this video until the end and make sure you contact us. Now, if you stick around until the end, I'm gonna share with you the best kept secrets of these neighborhoods that you definitely don't want to miss. And we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notification so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bika with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwannee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Beaufort, Cumming, or the surrounding areas. And we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 90 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today we're gonna take you to Alpharetta, Georgia. Alpharetta is number 2 best suburb to raise a family in the Atlanta area and number 2 best suburb to live in Georgia. Yes, you heard that right. Alpharetta is number 2 best suburb to live in Georgia. Of course, Johns Creek is number 1. Now in this video, we're gonna take you to the Providence Group, which is an amazing builder here in north part of Atlanta. Providence Group has 20 plus years of experience. They are building some gorgeous master plan communities here in Cumming, in Beaufort, in Alpharetta, everywhere in north part of Atlanta. The Providence Group is present. So make sure you watch this video until the end, and now let's go after it right now. Those of you that have kids, what's amazing about this community is that it belongs to a very good school district. Now, Ecco Park by the Providence Group belongs to Norwood Elementary, which is 8 out of 10, Haynes Bridge Middle, which is 7 out of 10, and Centennial High School, which is 7 out of 10. This is going to be an amazing community. HOA for this community are $200 annually, and for that, the Providence Group, your HOA, they will take care of, they will maintain the landscaping and lawn care, so you don't have to do practically anything. You just have to enjoy your home, the terrace, each of these beautiful homes, they have a balcony, a terrace, they're so gorgeous. And of course, the location is amazing. You are right next to Georgia 400. So 25 miles, like in 1 minute you are on Georgia 400. So from this location to go to Atlanta will take you approximately 25 miles, which is probably a 40 minutes drive if there is no traffic. Now to go to Atlanta International Airport from this location, because you're going to be on the highway so fast in 1 minute. It's going to take you probably 37 miles. So 50 minutes drive if there is no traffic. Now make sure you plan accordingly because Georgia and Atlanta traffic is very bad. So make sure you check the traffic before you leave your home. Amazing about the Providence Group because they are a local builder. They are working closely with St. Jude Hospital, donating towards cancer treatments. That is such an amazing thing to do here. So the Providence Group did their first St. Jude Dream Home giveaway in Atlanta, donating $1.5 million directly to St. Jude last year. Now their goal for this year is to donate and to raise $2 million for cancer treatment for all the kids here in Georgia and in entire America. Isn't that amazing? So fundraising for St. Jude, cancer awareness. So make sure you like the video, subscribe, and make sure you follow us, and make sure you check out Providence Group. It's such an amazing builder here in Atlanta. And if you want to be part of this gorgeous community, make sure you contact me today so I can bring you here so you can secure a home for you and your family. Now in Ecco Park, they're gonna have 4 different floor plans available. Number 1, the Barnsley one, which is 1,694 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1 car garage, price from $561,000 up. Number 2, the Barnsley 2, which is 1,837 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, 1 car garage, starting at $567,000. Number 3, the Benton one, which is 1,955 square feet up to 2,200 square feet, 2 to 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2 car garage, starting at $689,000. And of course, number 4, the Benton 2, which is their biggest floor plan that they have available right now, from 2,100 square feet up to 2,400 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2 car garage, starting at $707,000. So amazing, amazing floor plans here by the Providence Group in Ecco Park. Ecco Park has an amazing location. We are in North Point Mall, exit 9 on Georgia 400, which is amazing. You're gonna be so close to Atlanta, very close to Avalon, which Avalon is exit 10 on Georgia 400. So amazing location for Ecco Park by the Providence Group. And as you see here, they're gonna have a lot to build on this side. They are building there too. They're gonna have a lot there. They are working on these. Now, what's amazing about this community, it's in a very good school district and they have a lot of incentives. So for those of you that want $10,000 towards the closing cost, they have some special for one home right now, $25K, which is a little bit closer. It's on the other side of the neighborhood. So $10,000 to $25,000 incentives offered by the Providence Group. If you know for sure you want to be in this amazing community, you know, prices are starting from $561,000 here in Ecco Park by the Providence Group. Gorgeous, beautiful townhomes, amazing. Make sure you contact me today so I can bring you here to the sales center. You can choose the quick in move homes, or you can order your floor plan, your home. So from $561,000 up to $750,000, you can add stuff to your home. You can have the most amazing property here in this gorgeous community. about the Providence Group and this gorgeous master plan community, Ecco Park. They offer incentives. So as I said earlier, $10,000 to $25,000 for specific homes. Not all of the homes are going to have the same incentives. Now, if you would love to find out more, make sure you contact me today. Give me a call or send me a text, and I will bring you here to this gorgeous community where we're gonna talk to the listing agent and we're gonna go over every single home. There is a quick move-in home. If you want to purchase right now, you can do that. They have a few available, and we can go over all the incentives that they have to offer. But $10,000 up to $25,000 any way you want here in Ecco Park by the Providence Group. So we are at our first stop right here in Ecco Park by the Providence Group. This home right here that I'm going to show you today, this is the model home. This is the Benton one, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, approximately 2,200 square feet. Gorgeous inside. Now let's go inside and check it out. What an amazing floor plan here by the Providence Group. This home right here, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. The Benton one is actually the biggest floor plan that they have available here in Ecco Park. So this will run from $700,000, but gorgeous inside. Now let's go and see the upstairs. video was helpful for those of you that are trying to relocate to the Atlanta area and you are looking for a new construction. Keep in mind, Ecco Park by the Providence Group is the lowest price point available in Alpharetta for townhomes and for single-family homes, and there is nothing under 1 million. But anyway, this is the lowest price point that is available in Alpharetta, and they do have a lot to build. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and make sure you comment below. Is this a good option for you and your family? This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.